Hello everybody, my name is Luis David Arreta Montiel. I am a student of English of the University Secar. Well, today I am going to talk about a very important topic about the two video. Well, I think that both videos are very interesting and manages to generate a message and out for everyone to respond to main problem that society has today. However, because of that, there are many problems I would like to highlight. Well, hungers, war, terrorism, and drug addiction or generally. Well, these two songs really show the harsh reality of today's world. These two songs really show the sad part of today's world. These two verses show the reality of the world in which wars, terrorism, hate, etc. are destroying humanity and happiness. Many people lose their hearts, their children in war, and many children starve. So I wonder, what is love? Instead of spreading love, we are spreading resentment and hate in our hearts. Well, so to conclude, I think that the person who has the power is the better to generate solution, to generate conflict before starting a war. It's the better to find solution to the different countries have. I think that there's some really need to harm by people. Thank you so much.